in supply. What are the factors that influences supply is equal to determinants of supply in the market. Clear? Now the factors as given in book. Number 1, price of the commodity. If the price rises, supply will rise. So there is dash relation, direct relation. Number 2, price of related goods. If the price of related goods will rise, the supply will be dash. So here it is, the supply of a commodity is also influenced by the price of related goods. Now see the relation what it is given here. We can produce several goods by using same technology. This helps the farm by producing unity to diversify and tide over fluctuations in demand. For example, a farmer can produce either pulses or food grain by using resources. If the price of pulses increases, it becomes more profitable for him. Clear? What are the two commodities here taken into account? Pulses and or food grain. So decrease. If one increases, one decreases. So the supply of pulses will increase if the price of pulse increases, and the food grain will decrease in the same price. Tea and coffee valya. It's more or less like, so there is inverse relationship between supply and prices of the related good, what we have studied here. Taste and preference of the consumer rises, supply will be dash rise. When falls, supply will be dash. Very simple as 1 2 3 4. Population same. Government policy same. Government policy relating to taxation. If taxes will rise, what will happen to the production? Down. Supply will be down. No, same amount. Reversal. Inverse relation. If the price or the tax rises, price will come over. Price will fall over. Tax rise. Production देखिवाची. Price नहीं. Production देखिवाची. Tax बोलले production unit माने production कमे देवे. Supply कमी जीवो. If the tax rises, supply falls. Like the line. Tax rises, supply falls, and vice versa. Over. You must know what is cost of production. Yes, it is a factor which influences the supply. If the cost of production will be high, supply will be low. Inverse relation. But the question now is, what is cost of production? So for producing anything, you have to spend some money. That is cost of production. Okay, you will take a land for rent bandivo, labor ro wage dabo, capital ro interest dabo. So some payment what you make, if it is bigger, you will feel costlier, the production will be less. So simply you remember, higher the cost of production, lower will be the supply. That's the quotation you have to remember, and the vice versa.
Higher, lower.
Same tax. Climate is another factor that influences supply. If the climate is favorable, supply will be high. If the climate is not favorable, supply will be low. Next one,